Special delivery.
Finally. On you, Barry, just in the nick of time. Barry, where's the gate?
Oh, that's what the banging sound was.
Oh, fuck. How long till the client gets here?
Half an hour.
Fuck, we're gonna have to quickly remake it.
We can't, there's no steel and everything's closed. Fake
Scrap bin.
gastro. Oh yeah, yours makes more sense.
Lobby, it's too short. It's too flat.
Will this work?
Just by half a thou.
I'll prep the saw.
We're within tolerance.
Is that good?
It's good. Let's weld this bitch.
Ready when you are.
Lobby, quick, grab our lids.
On it.
Oh, no time for this.
Where the fuck's my helmet?
I am your father, look.
Hurry up, there's no time.
But the flash.
No time. Hey, Lobby, hold it still.
I'm trying.
We're one piece short.
I know where a bit is.
Well, he was breastfed until he was 8.
Will this work?
Good enough. Now let's get this shit show out the door. Fuck, that was close, Lobby.
Do you think he'll notice it's not powder coated?
Hey guys, what did we miss?